Hello everyone, and thank you for many questions about PU machines, polyurethane foaming machines. So as answer to your questions, we can show a very interesting machine and show that it's really possible to have a PU machine that works without heating hoses. So there's a kind of normal hoses with no heating section, and how it works. Basically, this machine is able to heat the material by heaters, then send it to hoses, then the material goes back to the machine. In this way, in this mode, the machine can heat the hoses. Well, of course, if you stop your work for a longer time, you need to repeat this procedure. Okay, this is Raptor 2, a very interesting machine, not just because of the hoses, but there is a machine that does not use a transfer or barrel pumps at all. If you can take a look there is only hose. This is of course just the temporary stuff, but without transfer pump, this machine can work. And this is very interesting because the system is much easier. Okay, Raptor 2 is one of the older machine in the production, but it's very simple to use, and that's a customer machine. That's our customer machine, and the smart customer use very old Raptor 4 gun, which is still in use after a few years and still works perfectly. So if you want to use this machine, it's totally simple. Here is a hydraulic section, here is the electric section, and temperature indicators. So to turn on the machine, you need to power switch to the on position, then press a start button. Okay, so now the machine is powered. You can see information about the temperature. You can set the temperature of the material. Then you have a poly and iso section, and this is optional section. If you want to use heated hoses, you can connect it. If not, you can use a system I told you just a few seconds before. Okay, setting temperature is easy, so we can see that machine that just started heating. Second, what you can see is a pressure. Right now it's about 200 bars, which is an optimum for this machine, because it can use 200 bars without transfer pump. This is so amazing. For me, it's still so amazing. You can release some material back to the container. Okay, so you see the pressure is 0. Then you can turn on a pressure section of this machine. This is fully electric, so if you set on, the machine will start pumping. Now I will switch the machine to the recirculation system, which is completely amazing with this machine. You can see a part of that. So of course the heaters on that side can heat the material iso and poly separately, and then there's a filtration unit which is totally big. It's about 10 times bigger than the other machines, and very unique system here is a cleaning. Yeah, so you can do a cleaning while working. So you don't have to open the filtration. You just you can clean the material and send back dirty material to the container, or to waste if you want. Yeah. And interesting is that the machine has 2 sections of overpressure. So if the pressure is too big, you can set the point where the overloaded pressure is sent back also to the container. So it's very safe. Even you do a mistake, the system controls everything perfectly. Okay, so start is very easy. If you press start, as shown before, and then press run, so the pneumatic section will open. machine start to work. So you can load the pressure, and you can see that we have 2 bars. We can use the gun to spray different kind of materials. In the another movie, you can see that's very old Raptor 4 system, which still works, and on some robots, and still works. It's in use by thousands of people, and it works perfectly with that machine because the gun is done very big precision. Yeah. So without heating hoses, without transfer pump, the machine works perfectly, and so we can recommend this machine to work with some polyurethane materials, different. You don't have to use heated hoses. This is just normal installation. No wires, no cables, no power use, extra power, and then no transfer pumps. Of course, in the final system, there's some pipes that help you to suck material from drums, but basically it's totally easy. So while I show you some information about the machine, you can see that the temperature is completely set, and of course the machine now is ready to perform different jobs. If you want, you can heat the drums with the machine, so you can make a circulation, you can release some dirty stuff from the filtration unit, you can of course spray, and you can easily turn off the machine. So thank you for watching. Of course we can build such machine for you, but this video is rather made for some information that we have such different systems like this one. We have a Winterman systems, which is totally different, and I can make you some very short presentation in a different movies. So thank you very much for watching, and good luck with our machines, and have a nice day. Thank you.